Hello guys, good afternoon. We're going to Japan. We're going to Macau. We're going to cooking in the Caritas. So, we will study Chinese cooking nun, di ba? Steam siomai. Tsaka gulay. 3 menu.
Cucumber, chop cucumber.
Oh, just like ano.
And then SM rice with
Just like tay-tay, chop-chop. So, we'll find the way pa from MTR, from
you want to wrap the
Kennedy.
cucumber in the cloth, and then you use the chopping board.
Ang galit niya. We will find na place pa.
We find the rat. We're going to rat.
So, we will update you
Where's
later.
the rat now?
Ang gulo naman. Dalawang
Hanapin pa namin yung daga. Saan sulok yung daga? Hanapin. Corner.
Ayan. Galing maliit, natabunan na. Say hi to the vlog. Yung nauna ka, tapos ikaw pa yung malate. Just here. Yeah. For the vlog.
When you cook at home, you don't look at the recipe, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone professional at home. So when you cook, you know how much you cook. Like 3 fingers already 1 teaspoon. Yes. Singwa, not Tikwa.
Singwa.
Tikwa is zucchini. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I just put a tiny little,
Pinch.
right? And then mix them together. And then wash the plastic. Put in the fridge. So
Weh.
Dito na lang, Ben. Dito na lang, Ben. Ano ngayon? Ano ngayon po siya?
Are you okay? So,
Kami rin po kami maalat.
oo.
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along. Even though it's been unspoken so long, I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting.
Room
Cause I'm
service.
feeling like you and I are perfect. I
Grabe.
don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say.
Balat mo na yan.
I've been saying it softly.
depends how
No words.
Garlicky you are.
You whisper with your eyes. I'm
And chili.
waiting for you, just
Very
waiting
hot.
for you to give it enough.
You like hot? Okay. Then you put more.
I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love.
It's so hot.
Be certain
And then
we don't need to be lonely, we don't need to be hurting. Like you and I are
now this
perfect.
is the dark one.
I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind.
You have the
I'm waiting till it's too late.
this one. Very easy. That is the
For lovers who are
not
undetermined,
expensive.
I just wanna be be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time. Wondering if we're right. Waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same?
Unless you love
Don't you feel the same?
Since you have soaked in the cucumber pickle already,
We don't need to be lonely. We don't need to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry. I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. Some say I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for love is so undetermined. I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time. Wondering if we're right. Waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you? Don't you?
or if you want, you can mince it. Okay?
Yeah.
Pretty good for 4 already. Yeah? Potato and then mushroom. Small slices. You can be a bigger one, but this one is good fit already. Okay? Just 1/3 of mushroom. To the market, the wet market, yeah? You will be getting this mostly. This is white color. Yeah?
Oh.
This one for wonton or for
Wonton.
dumpling, for gao ji. Okay? It's white in color. More thick. The one I'm going to show you is siu mai skin. The yellow one. More thin, smaller, but very easy to dry up.
Oh, yeah.
So most likely you can get this rather than that one.
Oh.
It's a small or big, I show you how to do it. If it's a big one, take a chunk, do it like a ball, okay? Put
Like a
in the middle,
wrecking ball.
in the middle, okay? Put it on your hand
Oh,
like
okay.
this. Let it go down, because this is a big one, I can put more, okay? One thumb here, 3 fingers on the bottom like this.
Support.
And the other one like a circle. Hold it, roll it, press it in.
Roll it to the river.
Roll it.
Oh, wow.
Don't squeeze up. Be gentle. Okay? Slowly,
Slowly.
slowly, slowly. You control 2 hands together. One press, one keep moving. Keep
Oh,
moving.
rolling it.
See the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, see the bottom?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
This, yeah?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Perfect.
See the chicken.
Cocoa and main.
Yeah.
Yummy. In my tummy.
Okay, so the
Mine got watery.
The chicken still might go first, pork afterwards. Separate them.
Yeah. How many minutes?
So for the chicken, 12 minutes to 15 minutes.
Pork.
Pork, 15 minutes.
Pork.
Okay. So now you mix and then put it back. Yeah.
Oh, to mix it.
Plating.
Now you see, if you want to show more things, you can show this.
Arrange. Plating.
When you put sesame oil,
Sesame.
after you steam.
Sesame oil.
Just a few stops. First, aroma. Second, the oil looks much better on the palm.
Yes.
Okay, so for this one, normally when you at home you will do this, right? You do this, right? There are two other ways to do. Okay, first you do like a diamond shape. Yeah. Yes, and then another one is I put it on top first. Okay.
My own creation. Show my chicken. Hi. So, how is the cooking class?
I'm so hungry and I'm so sleepy.
Is it is interesting, right?
I'm very excited today because it's
Not with the shomai.
no, because not with
Yeah,
the
because we seldom see each other. Yeah, the last time was last year, 2 months ago. Yeah.
maybe next time we will meet again in the kitchen anymore. Because last year we met at the kitchen
As well.
yes. And then we meet again here and then here next studio and kitchen again.
All this picture meet up. No, sometimes we meet somewhere, but so quick.
Yes, so
If I have like a lot of Sundays, then we can more often see each other. So now we're waiting for our pork
waiting for the
siomai.
siomai and then we will
This is our chef
get the kilo. Jensen Long.
This is mine. This is Janet.
Apa tayo ni sir? This is mine na. Ay, dali na. Apa tayo dito?
Wow!
Tayo.
Yay!
Ay, nagyayabang yung kay Janet, oh. Pag lalaki niya.
Yay!
May siomay.
May siomai. And everybody
If you
food.
eat the siomai together with the cucumber, perfect. Huh? No problem.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Siomai ko blog. Thank you for your